Alright guys, so hey, what's up? I just filmed the tutorial but it looked like shit, so here I am back and I look like shit again, but that's fine. I did a look and I hated it, so I scrapped it completely. I had a mental breakdown about what I was gonna wear and I sat on my bed for like an hour trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I realized, hey, I have an idea. Yeah, I'll put in some clips about the failed makeup look. I feel like I look like Tyler Joseph. Like, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, literally twins look. And that's why I look weird. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, where have I been? Honestly, okay, I said it already in my previous video that I completely scrapped. Basically, I was using all of my equipment for school, like my camera, my memory card. I look like a crackhead. I don't care. You know what? Not everybody looks perfect. My camera, my tripod, everything I was using for school. And it was kind of like, okay, well, if I use this for school, then I can't really use it for YouTube, and that's fine because at the end of the day, you know, school is more important than YouTube. But now I'm back and I'm better than ever, back to being a little rat. I hope adding purple to this look didn't like ruin it. I'm just trying to deepen it. Also, like I always say, please don't judge me. I'm not a YouTube guru or a beauty guru. Thank God, because we all know how the drama's going on over there. And this is already going somewhere I did not want it to go. This eye makeup look, I mean. Well, maybe we can fix it. You know what, maybe we'll try a cut crease. Maybe we'll attempt a cut crease. Anywho, yeah, so now that school's over, it's been super great to just have some free time, but I'm also like losing my mind because I am a very social person, and not seeing people and like not talking to people, or at least being surrounded by people, I like literally lose my mind. I'm like, I go crazy. And everybody has like a job or they're already starting school and I'm like, I'm not doing anything. I do have summer school. This turned into a purple eyeshadow look really quickly because she doesn't know what she's doing. I do have summer school that I have to look forward to, which is going to be exciting just because we are going to be out in the field filming stuff, and it's going to be more of like hands-on, like actual like production cameras, so I am super excited about that. And then also on top of that, I have another film course. So for those of you who don't know, although I'm pretty sure you figured it out by now, I study digital media production, which is basically film. I want to be a filmmaker of some sort, but I want to work in film, basically. I don't want to say I want to be a filmmaker because I feel like that's very boxing it in. I want to work in film one way or another, whether it's directing, whether it's screenwriting, whether it's literally just me editing the next Avengers movie. Like I want to do something, you know, working with films. And I want to primarily work on indie films, maybe eventually make my own indie movie, but for now, we're gonna stick with the YouTube aspect of life and not really venture off into doing anything else. Tomorrow is neon, which is what this look is for. I have no idea like what I'm gonna wear for the second day. As I mentioned before in the before clips, I hated that look. I hated that top. That top literally ruined everything for me. I didn't feel comfortable in it, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm having such a bad time in this. Literally filming, I'm gonna have a bad time at the festival with it on, so I'm just not gonna wear it. And that's what I decided to do. I was like, I'm not gonna wear it and I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll just film it. I'll just film some other day. But then I was like, literally I filmed that like 3 hours ago, and I was like laying in bed and I was like, oh my god, like I just had an idea for this look. So I was like, I'm gonna try it, and it's already kind of going Ari, so like we'll see. Crazy. But it's just crazy how like life takes you on like not different paths. I haven't even thought about what we're gonna do like once we graduate you know, like I keep forgetting that that's a thing. Like I saw so many people graduate this year and I was like, oh, that's cool. I'm trying to do the cut crease hack, but literally the cut crease is literally my whole eye. Okay, we're gonna just do that. I haven't thought about what we're gonna do when they graduate. Like, that's so weird to me because I look, like I said, I saw so many people graduate this year and I was like, oh my god, how exciting. That's cool, congrats. But then I'm also like, wait, that's gonna be us. And it's not like in high school where it's like, it's gonna be us all together at the same time, we're all gonna go to the same college. No, like that's gonna be us and then you guys are free to go. What happened? But yeah, I'm excited though, because then, you know, that means new, fallout. That means new opportunities, new stories, new experiences. And honestly, I can't wait to graduate, but I'm like, ugh, what are the chances of me getting a job in what I want to do? So we'll see what happens. YouTube take off, although with these skills, probably not. What would I do if I was like a big ass YouTuber? I probably wouldn't do anything. I honestly don't know what I would do if I was a big YouTuber. I think that I'm like super terrified about like being a YouTuber and then like going irrelevant. Like that's a fear of mine because I'm like, it must suck. Because I look at YouTubers now, like in my previous video, the one that I filmed right before this one, when I messed up my eyeshadow look, I was talking about how when One Direction was a thing, so it was like British YouTube, and I used to watch so many British YouTubers, but now they're kind of all irrelevant. Like I don't know if you guys remember or if you guys saw like Zoe, Alfie, Marcus, Zoe's brother, I forgot his name, Jack Scap, Life of Louie, like Sprinkle of Glitter, literally all of them. I think there was one whose name was Tyra, I don't know, but she married her like long-term boyfriend. Okay, stop filming, but whatever we called it. It's just crazy to me that, not that they're irrelevant, I know somebody's gonna be like, they're not irrelevant, they still have like there's so much money, and I'm like, okay, yeah, but like YouTube wise, how irrelevant are they, you know? Maybe that sounds really ignorant of me to say, but I'm just like, it's true. To see like a famous YouTuber, because I know they had books, I know they went like on tours and stuff, I think, and then to go from that to like most of your fan base doesn't see you anymore. What is this about? Is this an existential crisis? Honestly, probably. Wow, honestly, I don't hate this. Okay, I need to concentrate on this. So this is gonna be a montage or whatever we're gonna do. Ooh, I like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot, actually. Honestly, not bad. Not bad for my first attempt at a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with, I keep all my makeup in this box from Lime Crime because when I go out or when I spend the night in my friend's house, I obviously like to take my makeup, and it's so much easier for me to take it in like a box where I know it's not gonna be damaged. And so that's the box where I take it, so I know it's not gonna be damaged. I look so red on camera. I swear, guys, I'm not this red. Oh my god. I swear, y'all, I'm not this red. Wow, I look so red on camera. I don't know if I look that red in real life. If I do, that's insulting. That's insulting. So I'm gonna just blend this in, and I'm gonna do a speed over. And now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 130. And I'm gonna just set my whole face with it. So now I'm gonna bake the shit out of my face. I bake every corner of my giant face. I went to a party the other day, and it was so weird because there was a bunch of people that I saw there from like high school, and I was like, why are they here? Because they're not even in college here. Why are they here? And then I was like, oh shit, they probably came back because it's summer already. And it was crazy. It was weird. And we had just been talking about one of them. Oh, hold on. When I tell you I bake everywhere, I bake everywhere. We had just been talking about one of them and he was there too. And I was like, why? I was like, why are you here? Who gave you the right? And it's just weird to see people from like high school in general, but like to see people from high school that go to a different college and you're just like, oh yeah, you're back. Shit, like that's a thing now. Ugh, every time I see people come back, I'm like, yikes. Now I don't know what to do because usually when I bake I do my eyes, but I already did my eyes. You know what, I'm gonna just sit in the bake because I'm not going anywhere anyways, so it doesn't matter if it looks good or not. For me, the bake does its job in the sense of like I have really oily skin and it helps those sections because I obviously set the concealer, but I also set where I get oily the most, which is obviously why my nose is so caked, and my forehead. And I like this airspun powder, but I feel like it is a very niche liking because I don't know, I like it I think because it smells different. It's just different. I just don't, oh my god, I hate loose powders, so I'm surprised I gave it a chance, but I like it, you know. I think it's good. I think it's good. I don't have a problem with it. I don't have a problem with flashback because I don't care for flashback, and I don't think I've had a problem with flashback. Then I'm gonna go in with the colors I have on my eyes and bring them down to my eyeshadow lid. What? Once again, guys, I am not part of the beauty community. Oh, you know what? Maybe after this, I might be. No, never mind, because that shit's filled with drama. And sister, we're not gonna go, no pun intended, we're not gonna go into that today because my channel is drama free. I'm using my James Charles palette for those of you who didn't know. I'm not gonna wreck it. Sister already got my money. You know, what am I gonna do? Like, wreck it and be done with one more palette? Like, he already has my money. He already spent it getting acrylics. Like, it doesn't matter whether I destroy it or not. He been had my money. I'm back. Okay, guys, so now that I have mascara on, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. And I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. It's like a pinky purpley. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I love it, and it's literally like butter. Oh my god. Okay. It's literally like butter and I love it. Do I still look like a crackhead? Probably. Up next, we have to do lips. I think I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lingerie in the shade Lip Lingerie? Is that what it's for? Lip Lingerie in number 7. I don't know what I was thinking. No, it's too dark. It's too dark. I'm wiping it off. I'm back. I wiped it off even though it looks like I didn't. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Lip Lingerie. Alright guys, I'm back. This is a finished look and I'm wearing my t-shirt. It says maybe someday. I really like the way this look came out. Look. I really like this look, and the reason why I really like it is because it's a cut crease, and this is literally my first attempt at a cut crease, like, ever. How did she do it? I want to know. Damn. Honestly, I'm surprised. But this is the look that I'm going to be wearing for Neon Day Uno. I do want to say though, I am hoping to stay back on YouTube, so please expect to see more videos from me. Leave requests, DM me, tell me what you want to see, tell me what you don't want to see. Maybe you're tired of me seeing me beat my face. It's okay, let me know. Maybe you want to see more vlogs, more of my friends. It's fine, I get it, we're funny. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed my first attempt at a cut crease, then please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.